Welcome to SMF Street, home to Main Street, stockmarketfunding.com. What we're doing here today is that we have an options expiration week. Today's date, just so you know, is 8/15/2010, and everyone's aware that we're going to do the weekly chart, and then we're going to go through the options expiration trading scenarios during the week of the expiration. That's long the call, long the put, different risk management entries, different strike prices based on the actual equity. And I'll come back and I will be giving all the prices out, just like on the 250 put. I'll be giving the prices out. I'm not giving these prices out on a video though. So you already have the prices. So when you go back to look at the videos again, you already have your prices going forward for starting tomorrow morning at Monday. Another thing that I would like to bring to everyone's attention, if you'd like to get involved with SMF, and just simply click on this 5-day free trial sign up. That's one way. That's where you're actually here, like on a Sunday right now as I'm doing the training with all the traders. Another thing is you click up on the sign up button, enter your name, enter your email, hit sign up. Another nice thing that you can do is that once we've already made our trades and made our money with our staff, our SMF Pro Trading Street staff, you can always sign up for some videos. International stock traders are welcome to trade at SMF Street. You do not have to be a U.S. citizen to be involved with SMF Street. So for the people out of the UK, for the people in different parts of the world, you're welcome to come here, and there's lots of benefits of being on SMF Street. Once again, it's our privilege to show you our live videos as we're doing things with our live trading staff, even on a Sunday, and we're getting ready for options expiration week. So therefore, I'm going to start the video with the actual weekly chart on Apple, so that they're going to know how to trade long and short the name during the expiration week. Basically, I've got a bearish sell through the 10 and the 20. The stock broke, meaning that this topping pattern that was put in here on Apple right across here, that's where that big selling, this is what used to be support, that became a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks at that top price. And if you go back and look at my other videos of live trades that we're doing, I always told people you couldn't stay long the name if you couldn't close above that 261.75. And basically, this is a bear percent DS crossover. You've got the blue bar, the MACD, going down in value, the weakness, the 10 minutes about to cross over. So the SMF Street trading staff and people in the trading school, you already know what all this means. So basically, as that 10 week is rolling over, you sold down through this last week. Not only that, you've sold down through the 20. So the shorter term 10 and 20 has broke it. Now, let's take a look at it, SMF Street traders. This is the lower end of this 1, 2, 3 week where the body held that support. We slightly underwent that at slightly below that 249 level. So if we get a sell through down here to 240 and we were to hold support, we look at buying the 240 calls naturally. And there's nothing that says we don't come down there. It's a bearish move. It's a bearish weekly chart. In order to take the bearishness out of this SMF Street traders, you would have to get a closing price back above the 20 week. That 10 week cannot decline in price. Meaning that if this thing crosses over and keeps declining in price, this is that 10 week moving average right here. And if these numbers go lower, that means that the upside is to be sold short every time, as you know. So basically what I am saying is you got more of a bear move working now from this last week of selling on Apple than any other time. You did have a bull move over here because the 10 week was trying to rise. Yeah, we made higher highs all right, but they failed. And that's because you could not keep a support level above this topping range, just so you all know. And basically it's an Apple chart I'm going to get into doing next in the next video for all of you. I will be giving you all the pricing of all these various different strike prices based on the weekly chart. And once again, SMF Street traders, you've been given a gift. We're ready for the options expiration. August 16th through August 20th. A lot of money is going to be made. Doesn't matter what side of the market that we make it on, just that there's going to be a lot of money made.